Hello everyone, this is Cameron Doe from Genie Details, and in this video we are going to continue our product discussion. We are going to talk about Optimum Power Clean. So, Optimum Power Clean. This is Optimum's version of an all-purpose cleaner, and with all of the APCs out there, the pH on the pH scale is about somewhere on the basic scale, so somewhere above 7. Optimum Power Clean, the pH is 11. Now, when you compare this to other all-purpose cleaners that generally would have a pH of about 12, 13, or even 14 in some cases. So what makes Optimum different from other all-purpose cleaners is that the pH level is relatively safe compared to other products, and so it's not going to be melting your plastic or anything. Other all-purpose cleaners have the tendency, especially for the high pH ones, to melt plastic and cause some damage, and so those products are very caustic compared to Optimum Power Clean. So let's talk about how we use this and how I use this personally. When you have this 17-ounce bottle, this comes undiluted at full strength, and so you'll use this at full strength for really heavy-duty jobs. Let's say rims that have really caked-on brake dust. I personally don't generally deal with that much accumulated brake dust, but that's the option. You can also dilute this down to 3-to-1 or even 5-to-1 for the lighter wheel jobs or even engine bay degreasing. Personally, I like to use 3-to-1 on my Optimum Power Clean, as well as using an IK foam sprayer to get all that foaming action when I clean the wheels. You can also dilute Optimum Power Clean 10-to-1 or even up to 20-to-1 for your really dirty interior jobs. Let's say you have a really dirty interior and O&R just isn't cutting the job. Well, you can use Optimum Power Clean at that dilution ratio, clean up the interior, and that should be able to handle those really messy jobs. Just a word of caution, if you use Optimum Power Clean on the interior, make sure you flush out the cleaner using water or even O&R. You don't want this all-purpose cleaner sitting on the interior because it can attract more dirt and make it much more dirty even quicker. Another way you can use Optimum Power Clean is by spraying over the front of your bumper because you were just driving late at night and you had a lot of bugs that attacked your front bumper. Those bugs are generally really hard to remove, but Optimum Power Clean will make it much easier and much safer to remove without any issue. Okay, so those were the uses of Optimum Power Clean. Let's talk about some of the cautions you want to take when you're using this product. First thing is, you don't want to spray this on your glass. This can leave a hazing and etch to glass, and if you happen to get Optimum Power Clean on your glass, wipe it up immediately before it etches onto the glass. The second caution is to make sure that this product does not dry on your painted surfaces. This is pretty obvious, but you do want to handle some care because this is a high pH product, and so you want to make sure that you're using it on your paint safely and making sure you rinse it off and take it off appropriately. Okay, and the last caution with this product, and I've already alluded to this when I talked about the interior, but you don't want to let this product set on the interior surfaces. You want to make sure you rinse it out using water or O&R. If the chemicals stay on the surface, it will attract more dust and dirt, which is obviously something we don't want. Okay, so that was all about Optimum Power Clean. Again, great product, really versatile. Safe to use for most surfaces. I personally use this mostly for cleaning wheels and rims. I do use it for other things as necessary, but rims and wheels are my main uses. The main drawback with this product is that there is a bit of a smell to it, especially when you use it at full strength. When you dilute it, it doesn't smell so bad. There's a slight smell to it. I think relative to other all-purpose cleaners, it doesn't smell so bad, so that's probably a plus for me. Again, great product. I'm Cameron Doe from Genie Details, and stay tuned for more content.